Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be discussing about the Charter Act of 1833. This act was the final step towards the centralization in British India. And through this act, the company's commercial activities, that is, the trading activities of both tea trade in India and also the trade with China, have been completely restricted or abolished, and the East India Company has been made into an administrative body and restricted its trading activities. And this act legalized the British colonization of the country of India. Some of the important provisions of the act are: it made the Governor General of Bengal as the Governor General of India and vested in him all the civil and military powers. In this way, Lord William Bentinck became the first Governor General of India in 1834. It also deprived the Governor of Bombay and the Madras of their legislative powers, and the Governor General of India was given the exclusive legislative powers for the entire British India. Therefore, this act was purposely called the climax for the centralization of India, as through the next provisions of the Charter Act of 1861, decentralization process has been started. And the Charter Act attempted to introduce a system of open competition for the selection of civil servant in India. That is, the British Parliament sought that the basis of employment to government service should not be discriminated on the basis of birth, color, religion or caste, etc. But this provision has been negated because of opposition from the Court of Directors. The Act also provided for the establishment of the Indian Law Commission, and therefore the first Indian Law Commission was established under Lord Macaulay to codify all the Indian laws. And it also provided for the mitigation or abolition of slavery existing in India at the time. In 1833, the British Parliament abolished slavery in Britain and also all its possessions in all other countries. And the Act also sought the establishment and to regulate the establishment of the Christian institutions in India. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding Charter Act of 1833. Lord William Bentinck became the first Governor General of India. Monopoly of East India Company was restricted completely. The correct answer is C, both. Thank you.